Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the float switch in your dishwasher, be sure to turn off the power to the appliance. For better access, we recommend removing the outer door panel. Use a Phillips-head screwdriver to unthread all 4 screws, securing the panel. With the screws unthreaded, you can pull the panel down to detach. Using a 1/4-inch socket or a Phillips-head screwdriver, unthread the 2 mounting screws, securing the lower access panels. Set the panels aside. Use a short Phillips-head screwdriver to unthread the screw to release the old float switch from the tank. Disconnect the wires. Install the new float switch by first connecting the wires to the terminals. Align the switch on the float stem, then thread the screw to secure the switch to the tank. Realign the 2 access panels. Secure them with the 2 mounting screws. Reinstall the outer door panel by aligning it on the inner panel, then slide up. Thread the 4 mounting screws to secure. Turn the power supply back on, and your dishwasher should be ready for use.